paws on my cleanest floor, then you curl up in my lap. Your nose finds every snack, your eyes say where you been. I set my bad mood back and you drag the good right in. You turn my hours sweet, you make the small things shine. One soft thump of your feet and the whole room feels mine. Paw prints on my couch, paw prints on my heart. You make a home from scraps, right where we start. Paw prints on my couch, paw prints on my heart. Stay right here, never drift apart. You chase the sunlit dust across the wooden hall, then flop down in a trust.